Hi, I'm Chef Abdulla. Today I am making scallop moilee.
Like a 365, 3 spices, 6 ingredients, and in 5 minutes.
These are the ingredients: scallop, onion, garlic, ginger, garlic, fenugreek, tomato, green chili.
So now let's start, chef.
Oil, ginger, garlic, sliced onion, garlic, turmeric powder, coconut milk. Add some green chilies, salt, tomato slices.
So we tried the scallop moilee that's ready from Chef Abdulla, and also we got some signature dishes from Illam restaurant to try. First we tried the scallop. Is it best to try the scallop? Scallop is really nice, tender. Even the drink is nice actually. It has lemon, mint, pomegranate. The lamb is really tender. Soft shell crab. It's quite unique. You rarely find that kind of dish in any Indian restaurant. When you are in Harrogate, you should try. You must visit Illam restaurant. Thank you, chef.
Thank you
so much.
Thank you.